Hello guys, so take a look at this right here. I made this exact same amount in just 1 hour by using a very simple paid traffic method to promote my CPA marketing offers. So if you want to know how I actually did this, make sure you watch this video right here to the end to learn this exact same strategy. And guys, if I actually do go onto my calculator right now and I calculate how much I will actually be able to earn, maybe if I do make $21 every 1 hour, I'll be able to go on to earning about this particular amount right here in just a single day using this simple strategy. Or supposing that guys, maybe this is actually too fast for me to make that $21 right there. Maybe if you want to just simply calculate that with just 4 hours every single day, that is actually 24 divided by 4 hours. I'll actually be able to make maybe 4 hours in 24 hours is about 6. Then if I go on to multiplying that 6 right there by $21 right now, you can see that this is actually still a very good amount which you can actually still go on to earning in just a single day using this very simple paid traffic method. And this traffic method is also a super cheap one which you can actually do take advantage of right now in the year 2023 and beyond. So with that being said, let's jump right into this video as I'm going to walk you through the exact same process of promoting that. So first of all, you want to come onto CPA Grip and make sure you do go onto registering for an account. Click on register, be brought to this page, fill out this form appropriately, agree to the terms of services and go on to creating your account right now. Once your account has actually been created and you do go on to logging into your account, come right here to this section, click on offer tools and go on to clicking on my offers. So once you do that right here guys, you will be brought to this page right now, and you want to make sure you filter your offers to countries like the United States or any other top tier country right now. So you can actually do filter that and you'll be able to see lots of offers which you could go on to promoting right now. And if you do want to make sure you go on to selecting one of this offer right here, I do actually prefer using the email and zip submit offer. Maybe supposing I want to promote this offer, you could see more details to this offer that the payout is actually $1.45 right now for every successful lead which you do get. Here's your unique affiliate link. What you want to do is to copy this link and we're actually going to go onto the paid ad platform which we want to use to promote our offers. You can actually go onto using this platform right now which is called the push.house right here. As with this platform, you can actually do go onto utilizing it to promote your CPA marketing offers using the push notification ad format. And this is actually a very cool advertising platform which you could take advantage of right now. As you can see, it uses the iOS push format, in page push format, the push notification format, and actually the native push format. So do make sure you do take advantage of this right now. You could also use this platform right here called Propeller Ads, and you could see that with Propeller Ads guys, you actually do gain access to the push notification, in page push notification, interstitial notification, and the pop under. And if you do go on to creating an account for this platform for absolutely free, you can then just be brought to a dashboard right here which you could just simply come right now, fund your account by clicking on this add fund section and fund your account via one of these particular options. So if you do that, just simply go on to clicking on create campaign and actually do go on to giving your campaign a name. Supposing I give my campaign a name such as this, you want to select the advertising format. I basically prefer the push notification. Right now guys, you want to select the pricing model. If I do select the cost per click or cost per click right now, and I go on to maybe using only the classic push, right here in this section you want to paste in the link to your CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. So if I head back to this section, copy that particular link, head back to Propeller Ads and paste in that right here. You want to just simply go to selecting the traffic source. Maybe I want to just simply use only Propeller Ads traffic. I'm going to just simply leave only the exclusive inventory. For the user activity, I'm going to leave that turned on all. For this country right here, make sure you do go to selecting the United States because that's where we're promoting our offers to. I'm just going to keep on scrolling through. This budget, I'm going to put in the amount which I want to use right now each day for my budget, or supposing I want to just simply use a total of $150 for for my budget, and I want to just simply run this campaign for, let me say, 5 days. So if I do divide 150 times 5, that's actually going to give me a total of $30 each and every single day. So if I do put in that right in here, as you can see, that has actually been set. For the targeting platform, I'm actually going to select the mobile right here, because this particular offer is actually a mobile offer for Apple iOS right here. So I can just simply leave that as it is, actually head back to this particular section. For the OS, I can actually go into selecting the Android, the Mac OS right there. So if I just select that right now for the OS version, you could also select that. I'm going to leave that as it is right now. So if you do keep on scrolling through, make sure you do come right here and select the interest to that offer. Once you do select that, select the gender specification or the age specification. If that does not have any specification, leave that as it is and just simply scroll to this section where you can actually do see creatives. And for this creative is where you're going to set how you want your ad to go on to looking like. Right now, I want to just simply paste in the title to my ad. I'm just going to use the same as in CPA grip right now. If I do copy this exact same title right here, I'm just going to go back to propeller ads and paste that in right here. For the description, you want to do similar stuff right there. So as you can see, that has actually been set right here. I actually did use the same image from CPA grip, and you can see the preview right now on Android or Windows and the Mac OS. That's how the ad is going to look. Right now, you could just simply add in more creatives, and for each creative, make sure you do use a different text icon, a different text combination, a different banner, a different photo, and the rest right there. And if you do go into using that right now, you want to make sure you add in at least 4 creatives right there. And once you're done, just simply click on I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guideline, and you can then just simply click on start campaign, and your campaign will be run on this particular platform. And in doing so, you can actually start earning the same particular amount which I actually did earn right now on autopilot using this simple strategy. So I do hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, simply go on to smashing the like button. Also subscribe to this channel and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. So see you all in my next video. Don't forget to also go on to watching the video that you can see on my screen right now to gain more access to another strategy that will help you make money with CPA marketing. That's it for now, and goodbye.